Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I have a good tip for you today. If you are looking for how to grow your brows, your eyebrows, I've got you. I have a home remedy as usual. And we're going to be using this item you can find in your kitchen readily. If you're like me, you would have ginger at home, and ginger is so good and it's very medicinal. Ginger is very medicinal. It has a stimulating effect that has the function of promoting hair growth. That tingly feeling you're going to feel is very great to make your brows grow thicker, stronger. So if you are looking for how to grow your brows, just use your ginger. So continue watching this video to see how I'm going to be doing this. I have my ginger already rinsed and I'm just going to go ahead and grate it, skin and everything. It's basically the juice you need, so however you can extract the juice. I'm just going to put a bit of a tiny drop of water. This is just to ensure that I have the juice circulated all through. So I just added a bit of water and I was able to extract this. So this is just the juice you pretty much need. And this is what you're going to be applying to your brows. So I have the juice here. So when you extract it like so, just apply this on your brows. You can do this overnight and go to bed. I advise you do this every day if you really want to grow your brows very fast. Make sure it doesn't get into your eyes though, because of course it's ginger, so it might be a bit chilly, so you don't want to get it into your eyes. But just rub it on your brows like so. I prefer doing this at night, and you go to bed in the morning, you wash your face. You can do this every day. It's perfectly safe, but of course you still need to test it first to see if it really works for you. So guys, this is my tip for you today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video too, because you don't know, your friend, your sister, your neighbor might want to grow her brows and she might have been struggling. There are many methods of growing your brows. There are so many remedies I can give you, but this is just one of them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something good. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed already, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well. I will see you in subsequent videos. Just stay beautiful, stay fashionable and stay healthy. Bye.